In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect forex.com in Tradingview. If you're interested in integrating your Tradingview account with forex.com, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring everything is clear and straightforward, so you can start trading with confidence. First and foremost, let's go to Tradingview. Tradingview is an essential platform widely used by traders worldwide for live market data and charting opportunities. If you haven't visited Tradingview before, head over to their website and log into your account. If you're new, you'll need to sign up to access their suite of tools. Once you're in, the foundation for your trading journey is set. Next, we want to focus our attention on the Supercharts feature. This tool is among Tradingview's most popular functionalities, providing you with detailed and interactive charting capabilities. Click on Supercharts to begin. It's here that you'll be able to customize your trading view and set up your workspace in a way that makes sense for your trading style. With the Supercharts open, you'll see different charting options, or even a pre-existing one. Choose a chart that suits what you want to analyze. This can be any asset you're interested in, but remember, we're inching closer to integrating forex.com, so an appropriate forex chart might be beneficial. Now, look for the trading panel, usually located below the chart. This panel is the gateway that allows you to link with various brokers, including forex.com. Click on the trading panel to bring up a new interface filled with exciting possibilities and resources, which bridge the gap between Tradingview and real-time trading. Here's a crucial step. Click on Show All Brokers. Tradingview collaborates with numerous brokers, and this action will bring up a comprehensive list of available partners, allowing you to make an informed decision on which broker you might want to connect with. And in today's case, that's forex.com. Once you have the list of brokers, scroll through the options until you locate forex.com, among others. Selecting this broker will help populate the necessary fields to proceed with the connection. Before continuing, make sure you have your forex.com account details handy. Click on forex.com and be prepared to enter your credentials. This is where you'll input your login information, so double check the details for accuracy, as this step ensures your integration with real, live data. After entering your credentials, the final step is to click Connect. This button serves as the final piece of the puzzle, linking your Tradingview account with forex.com, enabling live trading right from your Tradingview interface. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully connected forex.com to Tradingview, enhancing your trading experience with real-time data and streamlined access. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.